Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating immediate safety and stability. This is non-negotiable. Make sure sleep, nutrition, and a predictable routine are prioritized and set up an emergency contact list. Once done, learn simple grounding techniques, 5 breaths naming 5 things, clenching and releasing, practice for 15 minutes daily. You do this to reduce acute overwhelm so therapy and deeper work can proceed. Start a trigger log now. Note time, person, place. Intensity 0-10. It informs what to address next. Once safety and baseline coping are consistent, engage a trauma-informed professional or structured group. Therapy styles like EMDR, trauma-focused CBT, and somatic experiencing each help in different ways. You will alternate between skill practice and guided memory processing. This paced approach prevents re-traumatization. Make a coping toolkit of 3 immediate tools: breathing, grounding object, brief movement, and rehearse them. Keep a simple weekly progress log so you can see changes, adjust techniques, and know when to intensify or pause work. To complete healing, integrate changes into daily life. Rewrite limiting narratives, rebuild relationships with clear boundaries, and implement a relapse prevention plan. Gradual real-world exposure, small social steps, boundary practice, assertive communication, cements gains. Make sure to celebrate incremental wins and update your toolkit as you grow. If you hit a setback, pause the processing work, return to grounding and safety routines, and contact your therapist or crisis resources. This keeps progress intact and prevents escalation, which is often temporary and recoverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.